drive-thru. It's moving slowly, but there's a lot of cars coming through here. Anyway, I'm sitting here hoping we get, this is crazy. It's like trying to get a PlayStation, but it's a taco. That's so crazy. I haven't felt this way since like PlayStation 4. I don't have the PlayStation 5, so I didn't get PlayStation 5. But we're just sitting here waiting. Okay, I'm watching this car. Is he coming in to get in the drive-thru or not? Not sure what they're doing. Some people are doing some weird things, but it's like really busy. And we are just in the same spot I was 10 minutes ago. Hey, that sushi and steak place over there. They had a drive-thru. I just saw a car drive through there and get his order. That's pretty cool. I've never seen drive-thru sushi, have you?
No.
That's cool.
Would you like any sauce?
Just the sauce that comes with the dip taco.
Okay, guys, we're almost at the window. I just found out it's one single taco for $3.49 that you dip. One single taco. That's a warning. Most times you order Birria tacos, it comes 2 or 3 tacos, and then you get the broth that you dip in. Still waiting in line. While we're waiting, I might as well tell you, KFC over there has got brand new Buffalo Ranch sauce. That's right, the new dipping sauce you can get over at KFC. I might as well just start talking about business around here. Okay, and that dry cleaner's having a special. Nope, just kidding. All right, let's take a look. Hey, girl, what's up? How are you? You're a pretty girl.
Okay, so each one comes with a cheese and a red sauce.
So you get a cheese and a... What is that?
The red sauce.
That little bit?
For one taco.
Okay. So that's 3 and change?
Yeah, this.
For one taco, you get that. You get that.
$3.49.
Well, okay, $3.49 for that? Haven't even tried it yet.
It looks amazing.
Does it? Well, yeah, it kind of does. All right, guys, not too impressed with the little tiny dip cup. It's almost like I want to take a bite and then that's what I'm going to do. Well, I should do it the real way. We're going to, ow, it's hot. Okay, let's try it again. I wasn't ready for it to be hot. Okay, warm in my hand. Dipping in the red sauce. Let's try it. That's good. Not 3 and change good for what they give you. I know you're paying for like 2 sauces and everything, but no. But it's good. If you're okay with the price, you're gonna like it. I'm not okay with the price. I won't order this again, but the red sauce is very flavorful. It's not hot, really good. And the taco's really good too. Everything's really good. So flavor an A, price is more like a C+. Okay guys, so we just realized that sauce that we dipped in, that's their red sauce. Like we, for years, have always got the quesadillas with the Taco Bell red sauce added in. So you can get you could have gotten regular tacos and just dipped it in the red sauce. And that's for red sauce on the side, red sauce on the taco, red sauce on your quesadilla. We've been doing that for years. So I would bypass this promotion and I would get like quesadillas with red sauce. We order it that way all the time.